Has this ever happened to you?
Alright, so like I said, we just got to the supermarket. I'm about to do a little bit of shopping, so...
You can't rent till he's too tired. But then tired.
No! No!
But then tired.
Children, please let me whip your kids. I can't stand kids misbehaving, running around and disobeying. All they need is a kick in the pants, a pump in the butt, a lesson that will finally shut them up. Please let me whip your children, please let me whip your kids.